Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, hi, my name is Jarrell, and in today's video, we're going to be using a lot of Dominique Cosmetics products. I want to try her palette again and just create a really nice, simple look. That's what I'm thinking, but you never know with me. And I also have the concealer that I already tried. I don't know why I put it in the box. I finally got the setting powder. I restocked and I ordered it right away because I'm really interested in this setting powder just because I hear really good things about it and I want to test it for you guys. I also got a cream blush just because I've never tried any of her cream blushes before, and we have other products from other brands as well. I will link everything that I'm using in this video down below in the description area just in case you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and get started, and like always, I am going to start with my eyes, so let me bring you in a little closer. So I'm using my P. Louise base on this side right here, and just for fun I am going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer on this side just because we need to try something different than the P. Louise base. So the one difference that I see right away is that the P. Louise base is definitely more like my skin tone, and this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills is super bright. All right, I'm going to use Embrace just to set everything on my brow bone and on my crease. I don't want it to be too tacky. I'm going to be using this shade right here, Stepping Out, and I'm going to use that on the crease. So just creating my shape and adding a little bit of that color as well in the inner part of my crease. So I'm going to be using Essential with a fluffy brush like this one. This one is the What's Up Beauty R104, and I'm just going to use this one on the very top of this green shade just to give it a little bit more warmth and to blend a little further. Taking a smaller brush and going back with the green shade. This one is the River 13 brush. I'm just creating a little bit more depth with this shade just because I feel like we blended it out a little bit too much. Taking After Hour, and I'm just going to pack it on the outside. I'm just going halfway, and now using Dinero. Okay, that looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and play with this shade right here. This one is called Mesmerize. I'm just going to add it a little bit in the center. So let me go ahead and just clean up. So using the Rare Beauty liner to just create a super tiny wing. Didn't I say baby wing? Oh. Can we copy and paste? All right guys, so as you can see, I did my liner and apply some lashes. By the way, the liner that I use is this one right here from Rare Beauty. So beautiful, so easy to apply, really nice and matte. I really like it. And the lashes that I have are these ones right here from Salon Perfect, and it's in the style 652. And the mascara that I use is also from Rare Beauty, is one of my favorite mascaras. Now let's go ahead and prime the face. I am going to be applying in this little drops right here from Glow Recipe. It is called the Watermelon Glow 9CMI Dew Drops. Let me tell you, so beautiful. I feel like my skin has been looking really dull lately, and I am not liking that at all. So yeah, it makes me super sad that I don't see that glow on my skin anymore. I used to wake up and just look in the mirror and I used to see like a really nice glow, and now not so much lately, but this has been definitely helping me out. If you guys want to try something that is going to give you that plumpness and that healthiness glow to your skin, this is a must. I love it so much. All right, for foundation, we're going to be using this one right here. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so beautiful on the skin. It is from Givenchy. It is the Prisma Libre Skin Caring Matte Foundation, and it is in the shade 4W280. I'm going to be using my brush to apply it just because I feel like brushes are like amazing to apply foundation. It's just super quick. And then we're going to go on with the Dominique concealer so we can try it, and of course the powder as well. All right, so here is the Givenchy foundation, and this is how it looks on the skin. As you can see, it gives you a really nice natural medium coverage, and I absolutely love it. All right, so let's go ahead and now apply the concealer from Dominique Cosmetics. I absolutely love the applicator. I think that is really nice and cooling because it is a metal applicator. I really wish that the concealer was a little bit brighter, just like a little tad brighter than the shade that I decided to pick. This one is in the shade Creme Brulee. So it's not as brightening as I like it to be, but still good. The only thing that I have to say about this concealer is the applicator doesn't allow me to grab a lot of product. I have to dip it in a couple of times just to get a little bit more. That's the only thing. So I am going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics sponge as well, and I think that it's so pretty. I love the color, like really nice and purpley color. I'm just going to blend everything in. Love how big it is. It's really nice and soft. So I actually take it back because now that everything is blended out, it is giving me the brightness that I look for. So I definitely take that back. Forget about what I said. It is nice. All right, so here we have the powder. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more like the Laura Mercier. This one is Charlotte Tilbury. Can't find my Laura Mercier one. I don't know where it is, which is weird because it's always around me. But this one is also the Givenchy one. This one and right here is the Huda Beauty. Just so you guys can see the difference on how much product you actually get with the other powders that I just showed you compared to this one right here. So I don't know if that's good or not, but it is in the translucent shade. So I'm going to use the Dominique Cosmetics sponge that is damp, just to set underneath my eyes and see how it looks, and on my T-zone as well. And using this tool right here from Beauty Blender, I'm going to set this side right here just to see if there is a difference. Might just like it a little bit more. This one right here, for some reason, is still feeling a little tacky, and it could be because of the wet sponge. For the powder, I actually like this tool better, so I am going to just add a little bit of powder on this side. All right, guys, so here is how the complexion looks like with the concealer and the powder. I think that it looks absolutely beautiful. It feels really nice and smooth and hydrating underneath my eyes. It doesn't feel like drying or like it's just, you know, too heavy. It feels really, really nice. The concealer gave me the right amount of coverage, and the powder just did a really good job to just blurring everything, just making your complexion looking so nice. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section and down below if you guys already tried this concealer and powder. If you guys already experienced, what are your thoughts on it? Let me know for sure. So let's go ahead and just finish the eye. Take a little bit of this green and just adding it to the outer corner. I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to add Mesmerize to the lower lashes. And now taking a little bit of dinero and just really adding it in the inner corner. Adding a little bit of mascara on your lower lashes. Absolutely been loving this bronzer right here from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade medium. So gorgeous. Love it. Trying this blush from Dominique Cosmetics in the shade Warm Peach. I'm going to grab a brush. Wow, this is beautiful. So gorgeous. I am in love. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this one from Charlotte Tilbury. Just a little bit, not too much. This is it for the look. I hope that you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.